Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to turn off notifications from OneDrive on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To turn off notifications from OneDrive on Windows 11 computer, right click on Start menu, click on Settings. In left pane, click on System. Now click on Notifications and then scroll down. Here you will find notifications from apps and other senders, and you will find here OneDrive, and OneDrive notifications is turned on right now. Just click here to turn it off. Now notifications from OneDrive on Windows 11 computer is turned off. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.